is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full, I travel each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, I saw it through without extension. I played each charted course, each kind of step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew where a bit of more than I could chew, but through it all, when death was back, I hit it up and spat it out. I fed it all and stood tall. I did it my way. I laughed, I ever laughed, cried, I had my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and I say I, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me, I did it my way. For one man, what has he got, if not himself? Then he is enough to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of our years. The record shows I told the law, I did it my way. Yes, it was my way. Yes, it was it. Just my way. Sure. Yes, that's for sure. But have you ever seen the rain? You. I'm talking to you. I'm talking about you. If you are going to listen Radio Giostra and karaoke special provider for you. Yeah, sure, shake it, shake your hands. Someone told me long ago, there is calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. over, so they say. It's a rainy, sunny day. I know, shining down like a wonder. How I know? Have you ever seen the rain? How will you know? Have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterdays and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast as snow. I know, I can't stop, I wonder. How you know? Have you ever seen the rain? I want to know. Have you ever seen the rain? Coming down, sunny day. Yeah! I want you know. Have you ever seen the rain? I want you know. Have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on Sunday. This was Have You Ever Seen the Rain? And it was made by Creedence Clearwater Revival. The leader of this band was clearly John Fogerty. And now we are going to present you Hotel California, but I don't like the song, so I stop here just for a moment, and then we are going to talk about Johnny Cash.